Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny apps to create a picture-in-picture window in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access. Now in special access, scroll down and here click on picture in picture. Now from here you can allow or deny apps to create a picture in picture window. So if you want to deny a app to create picture in picture window, then turn off its button. And if you want to allow app to create a picture in picture window, then turn on its button. So with these buttons you can allow or deny apps to create a picture in picture window in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.